What is up guys, TechRex here. So in this video I have an iPhone 6 Plus. This is fully working, fully functional, mint condition, I would say. You can see I actually changed the background this time around. And I also have a 19 million volt taser, or stun gun. And let me just turn it on so first of all you guys can see it's very, very loud. This is the flashlight, just to see kind of what happens. So I'm going to try and do that on the sides of the iPhone, and then maybe a little bit on the back, maybe a little on the front, just to see what happens. And I don't really know what to expect at all. You know, for all I know, this phone could just explode and I'll die. Or maybe nothing will happen, maybe the phone will break, maybe it will charge. It's actually at 85% right now. I don't know what's going to happen, but I'm going to do this anyways. I've done a lot of things that I feel like are a lot worse, so let me just do this and see what happens. So I have a little tray here because I don't want to actually hold it in my other hand just in case the current or something goes into my body, kills me. So let me just go like that. Again, I just want to show you guys 85%. That's the current battery life, or 80, yeah, 85. Okay, so I showed you guys it's a working iPhone 6 Plus. That's on. So I'm going to first start at the side, or actually I'll go like this. All right. Okay, looks like it just turned off. Wow. I guess that's the fastest way to kill your iPhone 6 Plus. Because this thing is just completely off. I think that just killed it. Yeah, it's feeling a little bit warm here around the battery actually. But it's not turning on. Okay guys, so just from the initial kind of 5-10 seconds, you guys can see that the phone powered off, doesn't want to turn back on, feels really hot in my hands, so I don't know if that's the battery or what, but just generally the phone is feeling very warm. We're just going to play around with it anyways though, just to finish it off kind of on the sides, and we'll just see what happens. So it's already on. I'll zoom in so you guys can see in detail everything as it happens. So here's the taser. Look at all those little dots everywhere here. Let's go like this. Guess we'll just finish it off by doing a little stab. You guys can see all those little dots on the back. So that's pretty much it guys, thanks for watching. Look at that phone, now you can see it. Phone does not work. That's pretty much it guys. As always, stay tuned for more videos, and peace out.